Hey guys, so I noticed some of you are just submitting the assignment and not actually doing the assignment. You're just writing in something in the text box, or maybe you have done the assignment but maybe you didn't answer all the questions to the assignment, things like that. So what I was going to do is I made this video to explain to you what's going to happen if you don't complete the assignment or you just put the assignment in there and it was the wrong assignment. So let's say that you did this assignment, okay, and let's just say you put IDK and you submit that assignment. At that point, when I go back to grade the assignment, you are going to see a 0 in there. That 0 is because I cannot return the assignment to you. So at that point, when you get the notification that you got a 0, there will be a chance to resubmit that assignment. Okay, once you resubmit that assignment, I'll go back in and change the 0. But if you have any questions, maybe you don't understand what's going on, just shoot me an email and I'll answer your question. But make sure you read the comments that are on the side, okay? So the comments should be over here. So if you receive a 0, that is me telling you you need to go back and redo the assignment. Okay, if you have any questions, please shoot me an email and I'll try to answer your questions.